Hello everyone, this is Mr. Drame. So today we're going to be talking about 9 section 9.3. We already finished talking about the vocabulary, right? The buying a used vehicle. What do we look for in buying a used vehicle? What do people look for? You want to look for the year, you want to look for the number of mileage, you want to look for maintenance records. Um, yeah, so and then you make your decision, look at the engine, see how the sound, the way it runs, and all that. All right, so I want to talk about here the formula. I want to talk about the average retail price. Now, this could be average retail price. It can also be average wholesale price, right? So it don't really matter. So you take the retail value, you add the additional options, and then you subtract options that it should have, it doesn't have, and then you subtract the mileage deduction. So let's explain this very quickly, this formula. So every item has a retail value. So and which retail value website do you use? There's something called Kelly Blue Book. It's called it's the black pen. Kelly Blue Book. Blue Book. All right. All you need to do is enter the VIN number. Right. The VIN number is personal identification for the car. Like the VIN number for every car is unique. It's probably 18 digits. 18. Composed of letters and numbers. So every car, so if you enter that on Kelly Blue Books, or you can enter it on Carfax, or there's another one called Fax something, and if you enter it there, you should get an idea of what the car retail value is. Now, in this book, the way we solve it, we have a retail value that's given, and then we add the additional options. So what is an option that is added to it, like tinted windows? Again, that can be additional subtraction, depends. And you have aluminum wheels, spinning wheels, you have heated seats, you have leather seats, you have sunroof. Those are additions that will be added to the retail value. And what can be deducted if it doesn't have a heater, right? If it doesn't have an air conditioner or a heater, that's something that will be deducted, because every car should have that, right? If it doesn't have side mirrors, that should be deducted, right? Every car should have that. Anything you can think of that a normal car should have should be deducted. And the mileage. The mileage is the engine. So if the mileage is big, it's gonna lower the value of the retail value of the car, right? So let's get started. So this is an example. Now this is a V6 car, and this is a V8 car. The average retail value for a V6 is $15,500. The average wholesale price of a V6 is $13,100. The average V8 price is $16,675, and the average wholesale price of a V8 is $13,270. Now, what we're gonna do is we gotta look for this. Now, deduct. So whenever if the car doesn't have air conditioner, like it's overheating or whatever, air conditioner doesn't work, so you gotta subtract 850. And then if it's a manual, if the car is manual transmission means it's stick shift. Those who drive, know that if you ever seen a stick shift, that's what it means. So stick shift, many people don't know how to drive stick shift. So if your car has a stick shift, you gotta subtract it. That means the value of the car goes down. Now, if the car has anything over here, right, you're gonna add it to the price, right? A DVD player is $540. Power mirror, you add $250. Again, I'm gonna put like abbreviation, so I have a little space here to write the problems. Leather seats, LS 240, bucket seats, BS 220, sunroof 475, and then aluminum wheels, AW 120. All right, that's very good. So I'm gonna do like 3 or 4. So actually, I'm gonna do 4. So I'm gonna start with example 1. I'm just trying to make it quick. so it doesn't eat too much of the minutes here. All right. Caitlin wants to purchase a 4-year V8 door set of 16,450. Power mirrors and a power sunroof. I know it has been driven 51, 16. Okay, I don't have to do. All right, let's do question number 1. All right, let me just choose the blue, or it don't matter. All right, question number 1. Find the average retail price for, I call this average retail price. Okay, I'm just trying to move average retail. We're looking for the average. We could be looking for the wholesale, but in this case, we're looking for the average retail price. V6, right? So we have V6 with air conditioning. So we have air conditioning is AC, manual transmission is empty, right? So air conditioning, it has air conditioning, so that's AC. Power mirror. Now power mirror is PM, so it's 250, right? Leather seats is LS, so it's 240. So that's 240. And power sunroof is 475. Sunroof is 475. Right. And aluminum wheels. Aluminum wheels is 120. Aluminum. Okay, 120. Alright, and mileage is, I'm gonna call this mileage. So this is all the addition, this is all the deduction, deduct. Mileage. Mileage is 42,510. Now I did not add that here. I did not add the 40. So okay, they said the mileage. If the mileage is between 40,000 and 50,000, you gotta subtract 175. 175. Again, like I said, this will be in the notes that we have. Okay, so now the average retail price for V6 is 15,500. So I'm gonna write 15,500, right? Now you might be asking me why I did not put any number, any amount for the air conditioner for number 1, because it says it comes with air conditioning, right? If it comes with air conditioning, we don't add anything because air conditioning, it comes natural with the regular car. So that's why over here air conditioning is in deduct. So if they say they didn't have no air conditioner, I would put it in the deduction here. But because it comes with air conditioner, so and the air conditioner is a standard, right? So I'm not gonna be adding anything, right? I would deduct the air conditioner if you didn't have it. So I don't know if that makes sense. So air conditioner. So that's why in here air conditioner I did not put anything. So let's add everything together. So that's 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 17, 18. Carry 1 plus 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. All right. So I got a this plus this minus this, right? So let's do that. So 15,500 plus 1,085 minus 175. So we are going to see how much that will amount to. So 15,500 plus 1,085 minus 175 is 16,410. Yes, we got the correct answer. So it's going to be 16,410. All right, I hope this is clear. Now, even though it says there's air conditioner, you don't have to worry about it. You ain't got to worry about that. You ain't got to worry about there's air conditioner, right? Because I am not gonna add 850 because air conditioner comes standard to it, right? Yeah, you only subtract it if it's not there. So let's go to the next problem. All right, hello again. So the next problem is number 4. I'm not gonna do the other ones that I said I was gonna do, so I'm just gonna do number 4. So if you look on your book, it's gonna be there. So they ask for average retail price for a V6 4-door drive. So average retail price for a V6. Now, yeah, average retail price. Yeah, if this is wholesale, that would be this. Average retail price for a V6 is 15,500, right? So I'm gonna put this here, 15,000, and then 500. All right, the next thing is you got to look at every column and then see if it's a yes or no. AC, it says yes. DVD player, it says no. So I deduct. So you have 2 columns. So DVD player is here. Power mirror is yes. Leather seats is no. And then bucket seats is yes. And then power sunroof is no. And then they give you the mileage. Now the mileage is 35,000. So I'm gonna explain why I did not put an amount for the AC, for the air conditioner, because like I said, whenever they said the air conditioner is available, you should never add it because it should come to it, right? It should come standard with it, right? The power mirror should not be there, but if it's there, you gotta add it. It's an extra feature, and the bucket seats should not be there, so if it's there, you gotta add it. So if I add this, it's gonna be 470. Now, if you see here, DVD player, I did not put an amount because you know why? Because I don't have blah, blah, blah. DVD player is luxury, right? So if you don't have it, you don't have to deduct it. Because like I said, maybe I should have a list of necessities and non-necessities. So you know when to add it, when not to add it. So DVD player, you don't have to add it. I mean, you don't have to deduct it. Leather seat is a luxury, so you don't have to deduct anything. Sunroof is a luxury, so you don't have to deduct. If it doesn't have it, you don't have to deduct anything. The mileage is 35,000. So from the list in the book, 35,000, you don't have to deduct anything. 35,000 is still considered new. All right, so only thing we can do is add. So 15,500 plus 470. See if we get the same answer. Plus 470, so that will give me 15,970. So yes, 15,970. So your answer is 15,970. And this is how you do it. But like I said, I would write on it, you know, the standards, you know, features that should be in every car. So if it's not there, then you gotta deduct. And the ones that are not necessary in every car, so if you see it, you add it. If you don't see it, it shouldn't matter in the price. All right, thanks.